Hi guys, in the last couple of shows we covered ownership investments. Today we'll be covering lending investments as a second type of investments that we have. Welcome to this show. This is MoneyWise with Rina Hicks, where we create, grow and preserve wealth. So lending investments, there's different options, and the ones that we'll cover today is bonds. And a bond is essentially a loan that you extend to the organization that issues it. So similar to the way that a bank would issue you with a loan or extend a loan to you so that you're able to borrow money, in the same way an institution such as a company or a bank can borrow money from you. Yeah, they can. So the first one I'd like to cover is a government bond. And a government bond is simply a fixed income security whereby the government borrows money from people such as you and I and institutions that exist within the country and outside of the country with a promise to pay back with an interest and the principal that you lent them. So the way that it works is the government then issues this opportunity and says, we want to borrow, say, 4 billion shillings at a rate of 11 or 12% over the next 3 years. And so you will then lend them money, and every year you will get your 12% per annum for the next 3 years, and after 3 years they give you back your money. Now, the thing about the bond, and particularly the treasury bond, is that typically the repayment is semi-annual. So every 6 months you get back half of your interest that is due for the year, and until the end of the period, and then you get all your money back in the last interest payment. So it's great because you're able to plan, you're able to know how you will be able to receive money over the period, and it's guaranteed because it's issued by the government and they will not default on your loan, on your investment rather. The other opportunity where government fixed income securities are concerned is one called treasury bills. And the treasury bill is similar to treasury bonds, except that in Kenya, treasury bills run only for within a year. So you have 91-day treasury bill, you have a 182-day treasury bill, and you have a 364-day treasury bill, which is 1 day under a year. And so the same thing happens where the government comes, borrows money, and these happen every week. Every week there's an issue available. So each week you're able to put in money either in a 91-day T-bill, a 182-day or 364-day T-bill, and you put your money in and you hold the money for that period, and they pay you back your money as well as the interest that you have incurred. It's a great investment opportunity. I would suggest that you look it up a little more. Anybody who wants to open up an account would need to open up what we call a CDS account with Central Bank, and with that you'll be able to start trading. It's simple, it's easy. Visit your bank or the National Debt Office at the Central Bank of Kenya, and you'll be able to begin investing. And if you're not in Kenya, there's opportunities wherever you are in the nation that you are in, and you should be able to go ahead and invest in treasury bills or treasury bonds. So that's it for today, guys. Treasury bills, treasury bonds are a great way to park money that you need to use within a certain period of time, and you don't have the option or are not willing to take any risk on the principal of that money. You're guaranteed that your money is not going to disappear, and you're guaranteed the interest. So I would really recommend, for the money that you have that you want to park aside for a little while, to consider putting it in a treasury bill or a treasury bond. So if I've not covered it in a manner that is clear, or you want some more information, please write to us. Our details are below. Write to us at sema@moneywise.co.ke, or inbox me on the MoneyWise KE Facebook page, or alternatively subscribe and you'll get some more information as we go along. Hit the subscribe button below and we'll chat as we go along. This is Rina Hicks with MoneyWise, where we create, grow and preserve wealth.